Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet, and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, starting a little early today. It's non-farm payroll day, so let's see what the data comes out at. I think we're expecting 141K. Previous was 243. And if we get a high number showing a strong economy, that could be interpreted by the markets as negative because it's lessening the chance for a rate cut. For a stronger economy anyways, that's the way I see it. Doesn't mean I'm right, but if I see a number coming higher, I'm thinking I'm going to expect a bearish reaction. I got a cough, I'm sorry about that. In general, I am feeling better. Woodchip, good morning. In general, I am feeling better. So I'm happy to say that I got another good night's sleep. All's good along that front. Let me just make one change over here. I forgot what it was. Okay, forget the change. Oh, what screen we're on that screen there. Okay, that's perfect. That's where I want to start my day. I want to start my day on the big chart. Let's go with no cam so we see more of the chart. Let's also bring in the chat doc so I can see it in front of my face. Well, this will be fun. Yes, it will, but so far not a lot of volatility. I gotta say, 7-point range on the 1 minute candles. Am I even connected to? Maybe I'm not connected to. Dummy. I'm not even connected to my account. Watch it be lower than 7. And the magic number is not in yet. Calculating. Well, you can't see futures floors covering it. 5.19. It actually is lower. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not impressed with the volatility. FVG 1 minute bias. We're turning that one on. Opening drive trader. We're not turning that one on. FVG both sides. Turning that one on. And FBGC tracker. Turning that one on. What time frame is that on? That's on the 15 second. That's on the 5 minute. That's on the 1 minute. Opening drive trader. And then there's one more. That is the Counter-Strike. Trader. Relot. Oh no, it's true. I'm not trading it on this account. I'm going to be trading it on another computer now to save myself some resources. How are you doing, Woodcheck? Was your day overall good yesterday? Mine was. I was happy with it. Can't complain. As always, I like to start with the 15-minute chart. Let me just get the time in. There's supposed to be a time. but my time is in the wrong box. There it is. Boom, 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 boom. So you can see exactly what time it is. And if you want to see your delay, right now I am at 8:20 and 15 seconds. So you can check the delay. If your delay is too far behind, hit that gear icon and put the speed at 1.5 or 2.0 and it will catch up and then return to a normal speed. I ended a few $100 negative. Oh well. Good trading, responsible trading, or a little bit of impulsive, emotional trading. Be honest, it's always the best, I find. I cheated yesterday. What did I do? There was one trade I took. I even said I cheated. I think I was talking to Alex. I oversized, I think. That's what I did. We were watching each other's trades, and I was telling him to stop trading. I think that's when it was. Forgive me if I'm wrong. My memory is poor. I think that's when it was. And then he said, "You're cheating." And I said, "Yes, I am." Anyways, if you happen to watch the video, and if it happens to be completely different than what I said, it's just because I have memory lapse. I don't know, my brain doesn't hold insignificant things anymore. Day-to-day events, I kind of just, I think this setup, oh yeah, my God, it was really tough. Now that you reminded me, I didn't remember, but yeah, it was a really, really tough day. It was one of those rare days that I turned back the computer on and I wanted to trade again. And I said, "Oh my God, no, I'm not touching this." And that's very rare for me. I try through anything. Saw a video on that yesterday on over trading. The guy didn't define over trading, but the moral of the story was, the less you trade, the more you'll make. Okay, we have 7 minutes about to non-farm payrolls, and I didn't even take a quick look to get my bearings. Started the 15-minute, we only pierced the bottom of the Asian session. We never went through the top of the Asian session. For me, that's bearish. We are almost under the previous day's close and VWAP, bearish. The 1 minute and the Renko are bearish. How any of this is relevant, I don't know, because when the news comes out, none of this even matters. But I'm just looking. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? So we got through that beige zone that I put in. We got through midnight open eventually, and then we went to this zone here that's come into play. How many times? Can I go back and see more if there's more? Yeah, even more. Beginning of January. Sell-off. Beginning of middle of January, a little later on. Support. Minor support. And we crumbled off of that level. It's the blue level. So we do have resistance overhead. Interesting. Interesting. I'd be very curious to see what the move is going to do today, seriously. I had this short and got stopped out by 0.25 at 70.25 just now. Anyways, no matter what I analyze, it's all nonsense before big news like NFP. And then whatever happens, I could read into it. Okay. Long or short? You know what? Keep it to yourself. Tell me after. Don't jinx it. I'm not even going to tell you what I'm thinking so I don't influence you. But I hope I should never influence you. Never ever. Like if you're going long and I say, "Oh, I think bearish," and I blah blah blah. You shouldn't change your mind or have less conviction in it. Nobody has a crystal ball. People only have setups that they can react to. And then the setups have certain probabilities. But no one knows what's going to happen. So I just know that the way I analyze the charts in the morning with the 15-minute and the zones, that there's a greater than 50% probability that it'll happen. But certainly that gets thrown into the blender when it's a news day, especially non-farm payrolls or PPI or FOMC. Nothing is stopping the markets from doing what they want to do at that point. They'll take out the levels they want to take out. They'll reverse where they want to reverse. They'll trap as many people, steal as much money, and then eventually head on their merry way. But it is a good opportunity for scalping, and I'm going to set up my chart. I don't know which one to set up. So many choices. It's like a kid at a candy store. I still, because of my sickness, didn't get organized on how I want to constructively trade my accounts. You know, I had a Bulenox, eh? You remember I was writing, will I pass my Bulenox? Will I pass my Bulenox? Hold on, I got a cough. I said, hold on, I got a cough, and I didn't even mute the mic. I thought I did. Okay, I see it's going to be one of those days again. I'm sorry if I coughed right in your face. The plan was to mute the mic. That's why I said, hold on. I think then the cough just came too quick and I forgot. Hello. Okay. Good marsh. I don't even remember what I was talking about, so too bad for me. Oh yeah, what account I'm gonna trade. I was supposed to get organized with that and I didn't. Let me get lower. Okay, so Bulenox. Yes, I had a Bulenox account. How much time do I have? 2 minutes. I had a Bulenox account just about passing. I said I'm gonna trade it conservatively and I blew it. Believe it or not. And then I got a Top Step account. I don't even remember how close it was. Oh, $405 away. With a few days left of payment. I don't remember if you were in the room that day. 2 days, something like that. Oh, don't let it get to your head. Don't let it get to your head. Let them get the payment. Anyways, I let it get to my head. I blew that account too. So I'm back there again. I now have a Bulenox account that's $222 away from passing. And I'll cut my hand off before I do that stupidity again. Plus, I have a Bulenox account that's only trading Counter-Strike. Hasn't had a losing day yet, and it's at 51,582. Started trading on the 20th of January, so that's not bad. It's almost going at a rate where it would pass in 1 month. And if it does pass the account, it's going to trade the account. I'm going to give it the account. Let's see if it can generate $3,000 a month. Even $2,000 a month. Watch, I'm talking to myself and I didn't even turn my mic on. Yeah, I did turn my mic on. I should do a sound test. Okay, everything is set. Hello, hello? Is anybody there? Well, I can tell it's pretty quiet. Let me raise the volume. Then I'm going to check my settings. Okay, now they increased the spreads. Let me just tell you what they increased the spreads to, which gets interesting. 2.75, 3.5, 4, 6, 7, 13, 14, 22, 21, 36. That's the spread between the bid and the ask. Should you be going market orders? Absolutely not. 4, 5. Now it's lower. 3, 2, 5. Wow, it came in lower than expected, so that definitely should be positive. Ah, look at that. They spike it up and knock it back down, which means maybe we're going to revisit the data spike high, which is the doji trade. Market's reacting flat. Someone says no, the market is not reacting flat. Market's reacting flat. What kind of stupid sentence was that? Wow, that was loud. I'm sure you heard that. Okay, I made 156 in my Top Step account. Trading to the buy side. I was long. Were you able to get out? I mean, with the spreads and everything. I got to put it on the 1 minute chart and see why that air horn blew. And you're not even supposed to hear that air horn. It's supposed to be in my ears, because my kids would kill me. Okay, I got to create a checklist of things to do. I had one before, but now that it's just me, it changed. Turn. Volume. Speaker. Off. From TV to headphones. Check. Mic. Setting on Windows, because that's a little fun thing. Full fun game with Windows likes to play. Always reducing the volume on me, on my mic. Makes it interesting. Let's go check where it is now. Device properties, 47. Let's bring it back up to 88. And then just check. Oh, looks like I'm redlining. Maybe I need my compression setting back. Compressor. The compressor is on. Why would I be redlining like that? Is the gain too high? That's a little bit better. Yes, it is. Sorry. Only way for me to check is by keep talking. Can't check these settings. And noise suppression. Well, I don't like noise suppression. I'm turning it off. Okay, let's check. That looks about good. I'm just under the orange lines. Well, I'm glad I pulled some money out of that. I marked the breaker candle 1 and 9, 1, 2, 3. Guess what? None from Wicked. Well, I got out immediately on the spike within 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah, way to go. Well, you know what I just saw? Just like everybody has their own opinion in the markets, everybody has their own opinion what the consensus is. What do I mean by that? I was listening to beginner trading while the news came out, and his consensus. He said it came in lower than consensus. My consensus at my FX book is 1. What is it's going around at the top? Previous month is 141. Yeah, it was 141. His consensus, if I saw correctly, was in the 170s. So then he reported that it came in lower than expected. But previous 256. Oh, look, they changed it in the last second to 170. 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before the release, I was on the website. The consensus was 143. Maybe they made a mistake and they gave me the actual number. Okay. Anyways, let's change my scroll. Interesting. This month comes in at 170K. Consensus was 170K. Okay, there it is, repaired. Let's get back to watching. Long one micro. Yeah, I think definitely I will be thinking long. Definitely be thinking long this 143, 170. Well, I find that so weird how they changed their numbers. There is news at 10 o'clock also, eh? Michigan consumer sentiment. What's gold trading at? Wow, almost 2,900, eh? Have we broken 2,900? I never even looked. Let's change it to a 15-minute chart. I think we have by a little bit of a hair there on Wednesday. Let's open up a data box and see. 29.0150 on that candle, and 29.06 even, I see. Oh, we broke 2900. Looky. Next stop, 3000. Who knows? Maybe we're going to see gold 5,000 soon. Okay, I'm back. I can give attention to the markets. Set up my strategy. To trade on Bulenox. I hope it works. Should work. Sometimes these weird things happen. Strategies. Counter-strike. I will show the results once the day is coming to a close. We'll close the platform on my laptop here that I'm going to be running it on. And I will open up Bulenox. I'll make a connection to Bulenox on my screen. Yeah. I would trade it on my MFFU account, but I'm not sure if you're allowed, so I gotta look. You're allowed to trade with algos or bots or whatever you want to call them. Well, that's a killer 80 points. See? It was good you didn't tell me which direction. The market gods rewarded you for being modest. So what are we up now? We are above. Oh, it's true. I don't know if this is the midnight open. I gotta go to a 5-minute chart. It's probably yes. Of course, it's not the midnight open. The midnight open moves to somewhere here. Good enough. It's an approximation. Never stops like a. And now, very interesting. We've gone and we've taken the Asian session highs on the 15-minute chart. That is interesting. Wow, this is an anybody's guess directional day. That could make it fun, especially if it gets high volatility. So let me do a quick review of where price is, just for my own sake. You gotta be kidding me. It's like the same picture as yesterday. God, oh my God, it's exact same for. Yesterday we were pegged in by the previous day's high, the previous day's closed, midnight open and VWAP. And right now again, within a 40-point range, all four of them. Wonderful. Well, we better break out of it today. Break out of that little congestion zone. Relong. There's that word again, relong. Yeah, I'm thinking also to get in somehow, some way. But I'm not looking to invent a trade. I don't want to do that. I'm not sure which setup I want to use to get in. You are awfully large. I don't need you that big. Mucho better. You know what? I'm going to go heat up my coffee. Take a bit of a break. It's still quiet, still early. I mean, not that quiet. 18-point range, on the average range on the 1 minute candles. What's the volume? Did I look today? Do I even have that screen up? Count that market analyzer. There you are. Count that. Oh my God! 236,000 contracts. Holy moly, that's low. 400,000 is low. I think we've only seen 200,000 once in a very long time. Okay, well, that's good to know. Not a lot of volume behind these moves. And with that, I will be back. I don't know. Give me 4 minutes. I guess I'll be back in about 4 minutes. Forget that it says 2 minutes, 94, and mic off. Well, the good news is I'm back. And the bad news is there was not a lot of coffee left in the pot. There was not a lot of coffee left in the pot. So, what do? Let's take a 2-lot trade here with MFFU. Based on this chart here, if you guys know how to read it, I got an arrow there. Why did I get an arrow? Because we had a retrace into the bands. The background is green, so it means the 1 minute is green. This is the 15-second chart. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to draw in my 1-to-1s, just to know. Now this one was based on, actually it was based on, let's see if that's the entry candle, 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I'm going to put it down here. Who cares? Who cares? Should break 900. I hope so. This is just what I would call a warm-up trade. And now I keep my size at 3. I'll buy another 3 at the 50%. In case it goes there. Because those trades are killer trades. That extra trade gets ticked in, my risk is only half an hour, which means every half an hour is 1 hour profit, if you know what I mean, because I'm only risking half an hour. So half an hour, that would be 1/2 hour, that would be a half hour, and that would be a half hour. So what's 1 hour on my original trade is 3 hour on the ad. And it gives my overall trade a 2-to-1 risk return profile if it just hits the original 1-to-1 level. So that's why adding at the 50% level is such an effective way of improving your results. Believe it or not, run the numbers. Run the numbers on your old trades. Look how many tapped into the 50% drawdown and then went to 1-to-1. I didn't get to add, so I'm only going to sell 2 at about the 1-to-1. Should it go? Open is going to be volatile. I might sit out for at least 15 to 20 minutes. What are we at? I'm not sure about that. The average range is just 11 points now in the 1 minute chart. Here, let me put it up for you. The average range is 11 points. 11.9. We're not seeing, not only that, remember I just said before, the 250,000 contracts so far only traded. There are not a lot of people in the arena. Well, this is an interesting chart. I think we need to be watching the Heikin Eshi, because that's where my trade is. Based on this one, the 50-second. I'm going to bring down my TP a little bit because I do want it to get hit. There we go. I have 1 left. Cancel my order. 1. We'll make it a stop loss. It's amazing how many times this break-even stop gets hit, though. In general, I trade till 10 to 15 minutes at least most days. Yeah, I think everyone is like that. Oh, shit, I removed it. Oh, thanks for reminding me. Trade the open. Opening drive trader. Opening drive trader. It's on sim. That's where it needs to be. Click. Let's enable it. We'll watch opening drive trader again today. It had a massive day on Tuesday. Then it had a couple bad days. I think. I don't remember. I had a bad day yesterday. I don't remember what it did on Wednesday. I think Wednesday was a bad day. So, does anybody remember where I entered? I think I entered here. Let's draw it back in and see if it goes to the 2-to-1. Where is 2-to-1? 2-to-1 is 21,890 over the previous day's high. Nine o'clock in 1 minute. I closed, not sure why. Because you had money and you took it just in time. Yeah, we take pauses though. I think I'm gonna get an arrow here. No, no arrow. It's still on. Should have been an arrow. Yeah, 9.6 already. Oi! Oi! I don't even know if that's an official word, but I'm gonna use it. Well, did I do anything? I think I just have this one account. Yeah, that's it. All the others are zeros. Oh, no, wait a minute. I have 156 green in my Top Step account. That's not bad. Yes, my new Top Step account, because my other one was just about to pass, and I had to be an idiot and try and pass it before the billing date, which was coming in 2 days. So I took a 10 or 15 or 20 lot. I don't remember anymore. Lost. Wasn't happy with the loss. And then I just took another stupid trade, random, and added to it for my full contract size, which I think is 45 or 50, and watched three and a half weeks of hard work go down the toilet. I should win an award for that. You know what? I should have been smarter, and I should have just taken the money at the previous day's high. These levels, they look like they're doing the same thing they did yesterday, holding price in. Until I see different, I'm going to assume nothing is different. Daughter Skyped me. Why did she Skype me? Ah, yeah, that's a good girl. It's true. Gowan. Why do I want to hear a Gowan song? Actually, my mic's gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna get a strike. So forget it. Copyright strike. These guys, they pick up anything. If you burp and it sounds like a song, you get a copyright strike. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Okay, I'm back. My glasses are dirty. I gotta go wash them. I don't want to. Wow, that's, I'm thinking too, it's crazy. I'm thinking too long. 77, 8 micros, doesn't matter. I don't know what the doesn't matter means, but if it doesn't matter, it means, fuck it. Then close the account. I mean, the platform. Because doesn't matter works both ways. Just like the word maybe. I don't even say maybe. I hate the word maybe. We're going to the movies. Maybe. No, maybe. Maybe. You can also say maybe not. Are we going to the movies? Maybe not. I always say maybe not. There's no percentage of probability given to the word maybe. What maybe? Yes or no? My point being, maybe applies both ways. So doesn't matter. If it doesn't matter, then don't do damage to the account. Close it and come back tomorrow. You'll be happy that you didn't. Because it doesn't matter. You let me go on that kind of a rant, and then you clarify? The poor streamer with the sore throat. Where's my camera? You can't even see me. No cam, no cam. 3 charts, 1 cam. No good. 1 chart, 1 cam. Sit up. You just see my chin. Sit up. My garbage can is in my way. There, I'm sitting up. You see more of me. I'm all thumbs right now. I'm here sitting, I don't know. Okay, I look. Sometimes it's okay just to watch the charts. Yeah, excuse me. It has been more than a half an hour since the news. Let me start my analysis all over again to get my bearings. Well, we have this. Let's just make sure you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Yes, you are. We have actively trading and having to switch from our trader trading view in YouTube. Wow. we have this blue zone, which is a significant zone, and we have not closed above it. Our heads are crushed up into it, and anybody's guess. So I got to see some significant level of price holding above 21,900. Put that in my brain. Step one. We are at resistance and have to get over 21,000. No problem with chip. Over 21,900. I'm talking to myself, actually. I'm getting my bearings. With that being said, we broke both sides of the Asian session. That means we're probably going to visit the low side again, but we did. We did on that spike bar. I gotta say we're bullish and we revisit the data spike high somehow, some way. And if we get over, okay, so that's what I gotta put in my brain. If we get over the London session highs and hold, we're over this blue zone also. That's bullish. So that's what I'm looking for. Get over the London session highs. How am I gonna watch that? I'm gonna put it on the 3-chart view. I have the 5-minute chart. And that'll keep me on track. I'm getting out of bed though, finally. Yeah, it was hard to get out of bed for me also recently. Last couple of times. $31. Fucking Windows. I raised it to 80, they dropped it to 31. Don't you love a setting that changes itself on its own? Well, don't know if Alex and David will be joining us today. They were talking yesterday about starting their own YouTube channel, believe it or not, which I fully encourage. This previous day's high is really a stick in the mud, eh? We got one close above it on the 1-minute chart just now, and then it brought it back right back inside. Excuse me. And we got 2 consecutive closes under it. So for me, that's bearish. Ouch. Just watching, just watching, just watching. 20 points locked in. I got an arrow here. Okay, I'm hearing activity behind me. There's people, there's activity. I'm still looking to have my bias solidly go bullish, which I'm seeing may just have happened. Let me switch screens here and I'll show you why. Actually, yeah, we'll go to this screen over here. I'll start off with the 30-minute. The 30-minute, we have this zone over here. It's a blue zone. The blue zones are the higher impact zones, the major zones. And we're tapping into it now, and it's showing to be a bit of a resistance as it has in the past. Let me go back. See over there how when we hit it in January 7th and we pretty much sold off very heavily from that blue zone. So I got that blue zone marked in and we haven't been able yet to close above it. Keep that in mind. On the 15-minute, well, with the new spike, we whacked both sides of the Asian session. And now we come to the all-important 1-minute chart. And the 1-minute chart, for forever long, we've been hem and hawed in between these four zones, these four levels. Previous day's close, which is the black line. Previous day's high, the dash green line. VWAP and the midnight open. This is an exact replica of yesterday. And it was terrible trading yesterday. But if we can get above 21,900, 21,920, let's go back over here 21,000. That'll get us over that blue zone. And then I have this green zone. The green zone is kind of like a, you know, it's something. Yeah, we sold off hard. But we sold off hard because this is when Trump made the announcement about the tariff. So it's not really, it's not high on my significance level. I just put it in there. Pardon? Oh, the washer fluid thing broke. So in case. Only futures trade.
It's drivable.
Yeah, there's no slush and shit on the road. Nice data candle today. Which side we take off first? Might ramp up. Yeah, I gotta say we're gonna take out the high side. The data spike high. That is my guess. Don't like bullish right at the gate because we haven't taken those lows. Nice washout long would be a good setup for the day. Wait for the breaker. We go to the lows. Yeah, anything is possible, but right now, as it stands, I'm seeing a little bit of bullish momentum. But the other thing I also noticed is that, I don't know if you look at it, I only got 6 points average range on the 1 minute candles. Ouch, sorry if you guys heard that. And funny guy. I'm not on a cruise. Yeah, we only got a 7-point range on the 1 minute candles, and the volume so far is 275,000 contracts. That is extremely low. So there's a lot of there's not a lot of participation today in the markets. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. I think that's what my excuse me. I think that's what my plan of attack is going to be, actually. Exactly that. Okay. Profit taking the open of the conference.
Parce que des fois, tu parles trop.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to muffle myself like you guys did to Megan. Make myself uncomfortable thinking every time I want to say something, I'm going to get my face slapped. Okay, so give me a second. I gotta cut you off because it's 9:23. Are you using this on the screen or no?
No.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. What do you think I should do?
So my first trades, am I going to take the opening trades or am I just going to wait for system trades? No, I think I'm watching the opening drive, so I'm going to put that screen up because it's always fun to watch, as it's a new trade that I coded. So let's see how that one does, and it is ready to go. I will even change the screen so you guys can watch the trade. It is trading on Let me just check. Sim 101, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, I'll see.
Yep, Sim 101.
He's in the room?
Yeah, David's in the room. Sorry, I just forgot to mute my mic. Okay, so we'll watch that, and a part de ça. Aside from that, what am I going to be trading? I guess I'm going to be jumping in on my Renko trades. And I don't have to worry about Counter-Strike. It's going to take care of itself on another computer. I will let you know how it does.
Oh.
He's not in the room yet. He's not in the room yet.
Three, two, one. That should be here. David, hear me?
Yeah.
Talk again, Al. I want to see if you come in.
Yes, sir.
Your mic was off.
Yes, sir.
I want to see what you would say.
Okay, get ready for the action. You have a mic? Yeah, you got to turn your mic off because you're picking me up. You're going to have to work it. If you're beside me, you have to work your mic. Yep. It's a pain in the ass. I got to work an extra mic. You just got to work
Do you
one.
hear me very well?
I got to work three.
Yeah, sorry, my answers are going to be at 4 seconds delay. I got to switch screen and unmute myself. Yes, I hear you well.
But why are you switching screen? What else do you have up there? Oh, you put Trading View up there?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you just put one screen here? Split them apart. You got a whole space.
But they're not even the same prices. I'm trading you to here.
Well, read your NQ prices from here, and I'll check it on Top Step.
79, 78, 75, 78, 50.
77.
No, 78, 50. The buy.
77. Oh, the buy.
The buy, 79, 79,
77, 50. 76, 75, 74.
75 what? 0.75?
No, 75. I'm not doing the points. I'm just doing the numbers.
Oh, do the points. I want to see it.
It's too fast.
It's so slow. It needs a lot of shit.
Well, mine changes way too fast. Like 76, 77, 78, 78, 77, 78, 77. You can see where you are. If you're doing 74, 75, if you're behind it or below it. They look like they're kind of in the same place though. Oh Lord. Okay, get ready. 2.5 minutes, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. We are still being magnetized and sticking to that previous day's high. And have those 4 levels to deal with. So yes, I agree with what Only Futures Trading said. A little selling in the open, and then look for buyers to step in.
Alex.
Yeah.
You didn't hear it.
Yeah.
I just wanted you to see 852, 853.
Let me see. 850. 853. Yeah, I see it. It worked. There you. Ah, wait. Oh, yeah, it's through the second body. Okay, I see it. There. Nice. Dave,
Mm.
can you say my name's David? I want to hear how loud you are.
My-
Okay.
Yeah, well. Okay, we're getting the open. The open has come.
Open is right now.
Yeah, open is.
That's quick.
I guess I will wait for the first bullish signal. So far we got the exact same open as we got yesterday. A bit of a chop. Watch it happen again today. Well, at least it went a little bit. For me to take something out. Nah, we'll let the rest. We'll let the rest run. See if we can catch. So far we got about 10 points, right? I'm in at 90 and it's 01. I got 10. Next stop at the station, 17 points. There we go. We got the 17 points.
Stop is 9:30.
20 points. I'll take one off. At 20 points, I'll take one off at 30 points. Volume's horrific. It is so low. 200 and last I checked here. Yeah, the volume was horrific when I looked. We're still not even over 300,000 contracts. Opening drive. Am I running the opening drive? Opening drive is up $441. Opening drive is killing it today. Sell one, I'll sell another one. Opening drive is up $600. And I'm up $370. The opening drive is going to have a good day today, I hope.
Yeah, how does it work?
It does give back a lot of money.
Look, how is this not? So it's going to come back touch and then do again?
I don't know. It reads as I have to check what it reads. Mine's the same thing.
Mine's the same thing. He doesn't even know what his system's doing.
I forgot what the filter was. I code so many of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! I like. You're still holding?
No, I'm not in.
Oh
So
my
it's
God!
trading it. I said no.
I call in the bin. It was a 7.
Oh, you're saying you still holding.
Ah, too bad. Too bad. Okay. Anyways, opening drive. I'm out of that trade. I'm very happy with it. Continue trading this account then. Wait for another trade. Opening drive is up. 900. 1,000.
Like we're almost up 100 points and it's not even in nothing.
It can only get in on a new cross. It can't get in anywhere. It's gonna have to. It's gonna have to break the lower end to even think about getting the lower line before thinking about getting in again. Straight out of the gates. Yep. That's the kind of trades that the opening drive takes advantage of. So it's caught a good one today. But the lower line is the stop, and the lower line is an 8-period price channel, so it's going to take 8 minutes before, even 10 minutes before it stops moving. Starts moving, I mean. Let me see. Should be an 8. Yeah, it's an 8. So in 10 minutes, the stop will be around 9:30, which will mean 30, 40 points are guaranteed or are locked in. I mean, it's only up 50 points.
Cross to even think about it.
As far as I know, it has to cross. I don't know. What can I tell you, Dal? Stop bothering me.
That's not what it does.
I don't know. Mine didn't even get in. And you're using the same one as me, so I don't know what to tell you. No, mine did get in. Sorry. I don't have an arrow showing. It's a terrible location. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get another pop. Come my screen is washed out. I need new colors here. I need new colors.
It's so weird. It jumps in when you're like a 150-point run. I don't know, I can see it working.
Okay, my Bulenox count is down 1. And I am looking for a trade on
Wow, this is huge. I mean, is it 3 winners? Did he break even?
That's another good trade over here.
David, wouldn't this be one again, even though we're at all-time highs? David, wouldn't
And this B1, even though we're at super high
On the 32nd.
on the minute too.
Oh, I'm not taking that. That's too huge. But there's one on the 32nd, but
Same thing on the 30.
no, not even close. 32nd, you're taking it at 35.30. 9:35.30. This one you're taking at 9:36, like 30 points higher. And at a weekly high too. It's the 32nd one that hit the 1-to-1. Yeah, I don't even have time to talk to you, bro. If I find it like a 30-second one,
Yeah, you do. You have like normally on average 15 seconds at least.
like 4 seconds if it's gonna move.
Okay, don't worry. I'm fast, bro. Don't worry.
And I gotta check my position size.
About to take one long. That's it. It's not hard. Like 5 seconds before.
Well, then I hope you know the setup, because if I say about to take one, it doesn't form, and you take it, that's on you.
Okay, bro. Bro, every day I gotta deal with this kid. It's crazy.
Well, you know what it looks like. No?
Yes, I know what it looks like, but I'm not
Okay, so
staring
you'll
at my
be
chart
fine, bro.
99%
You're not a
of the time.
retard.
Okay, so then just tell me there's one setting up. You don't have to say in. You don't retard it.
I cut out your entertainment. I am looking to go long again. My apex is up 646. Can we get another nice extension? Let's take a quick look at the levels while we have a second. We're into this mild level there. That stopped us just before the Trump announcement, but that shouldn't be significant. We should be able to get through that. And get to the 22,100 level if
Is
it's
that
a
a
bullish
black bar
day.
beside the fair value gap? On the 1 minute? $9.39. Never mind. I was just asking if that 9.39 candle would have closed black on 38. Would it have been on the 32nd? Would it have been a trade? We would have had green, black, black under the green body. Why would it have been a trade?
I have 3 green candles here. There's nothing there.
Your 938.30 is what color?
My what?
Your 938.30 is what color?
Blue.
Huh?
So green. Blue, so green. Green.
Maybe just black.
Markets are still coming off.
So we don't even have the same colors.
No, for me it's the same close.
9:30:30. I have the same open, same close.
Yeah, mine's blue. This is green.
Well, then
Here's
what's
the black.
your open? What's your close?
I don't know.
Here's
Same
the
thing.
convenience.
So it's not blue.
Yeah, mine is blue.
I have an idea. Maybe you guys should spend some time when the markets are closed and go over how your chart settings are and compare your
need to.
colors and see how everything
I go
is
over
so
my
things
stuff every
work.
day. I go over my stuff every day. I don't need to.
No, we think we should do it when the market is open and I have to take a trade.
But
Yeah,
you don't want to
yeah,
make
yeah.
fun of you, so shut up.
You're off
Yeah.
mic, that's a big difference.
Shut up, Santa.
Why, you heard me say anything, David? See, no, he doesn't. I'm off mic. I'm smarter
What,
than
they
that.
hear him. What the fuck
He
is
hears you.
You hear me through your own fucking mic. Through Alex's mic. What? Your mic is on. That's how he hears me.
Okay.
But the world doesn't hear me because it's not on.
What do I care?
Yes, I'm asking for going long 30 seconds.
Goodbye. The value they bring is less than the non-value. Or I don't know how to say it, but you get my point.
Il y a juste un trou de cul de la vie, bro. Comme je t'ai dit à tous les jours, un trou de cul de la vie.
Okay, I
Say
got
this
along.
every day, bro. Un trou de cul de la vie.
It's because you're not organized. You guys don't spend the time to get organized. Let's hope this one runs. Not crazy about my size, so I lowered it. They need to. Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Anyways, that experiment is over. I need a rally here. I need a rally. I need a rally. I need to take out the U.S. highs. Come on. Where are the U.S. highs at? 968. Well, it's a good thing I lightened up on this one. But just in case we decide to make a turn, I added a little bit because it's a crazy low risk entry. I don't know why it was only a 3 lot, but looks like I have to get out of all of it. Okay, that's it. Gave back some.
I took it, I lost it. Took it on a 1. Trading bad.
So shut your computer.
I'll just do the wrinkles, bro. I didn't expect anything different from you. We'll do it together. Bro, fuck you, piece of shit. I'm gonna fucking tell you 1 second before.
What's your Bulenox count at? Perfect. It's working completely different. I'm minus 153 on Bulenox. Didn't do 3 lots. Renko size. It's only one thing. That's the channel size.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Channel size. 6 or 8.
Yeah, I think I reinstalled it. That's where I got screwed. Away! Stupid slow ninja. No, PC Renko 6. Isn't that crazy? Don't close your thing. I'm going to want to examine why. Because it looks exactly the same. Okay, so what are we looking at? I'm keeping you here on the opening drive play. And on the opening drive play, we didn't get taken out yet. We need to close below the lower, below that lower line there, the price channel that it's just tapped into, but it didn't close below it. So, oh, wood chip, I closed it. It was too crazy. I couldn't deal with it. If you want, I'll open it up for you. Give me a second. It will be open in. It's open. Wait, I gotta make a few of my own settings here. Okay, my mic is working. I gotta disable my camera. It doesn't take the view. Okay, there you go. You wanna come in?
This accountant's fucking ridiculous. Every trade I take now, it's gonna be a goddamn loser. Such a shit attitude all the time.
You have the same shit attitude. No, everything is, you can come into the room. It's all, it's open. I'm doing lots of, what seems like troubleshooting again. But everything should be green lighted. Nice. Okay, I'm going to take a small trade. We're in that green zone. I don't have it on the screen. It's not a major zone.
Ah, j'en peux plus, beau.
So take a week off, Al. What can I tell you? If you're in the check your email. I can't check my email now. I got way too much going on.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
How'd you get stopped at? It didn't turn green.
I saw it go down a bar and a half.
I'm in red.
What?
Let's get a push up. Let's get a push up. I'm going to take a piece off here. Got one more piece that I want to get out of. Let's get a little pop. Let's get some pop in here. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Bulenox is down 277. I didn't even notice. That's a bad day for Bulenox. But I'm going to end my stream right here. And I'll be back. It's Friday. I will be back on Sunday evening. I like the Sunday evening trading. I will be back for Sunday evening. Sorry about the quick retreat. And we'll see you on Sunday. Oh, it's true. Just to summarize my results. The SIGA go away in the bottom. I have no greens. No reds, I mean. Only on the top. The sim doesn't count. So I made about 700. 645 in the Apex and 55 in MFFU. 700. I did make 156 in top stack, but I don't count that. So 700 and minus my 277. I'm up about 400 for the day. We'll see if Bulenox can recover some. Okay, that's it. Take care.